Special representatives of India and China will meet to discuss border issues after a gap of a year and 6 months after Prime Minister Modi raised serious concerns about incidents of transgressions along the Indo-China border. The talks will look to finalize the framework for resolution of border disputes, the move especially significant ahead of Prime Minister's visit to China in May this year.
6 months after Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chinese President Xi Jinping met, India and China are holding the 18th round of boundary talks in Delhi.
Fresh round of border talks between India and China will commence in New Delhi, with India being represented by NSA Ajit Doval. India, of course, hoping that there would be some concrete movement forward ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit before May this year.
Indications are that boundary talks are aimed at avoiding border intrusions through a clarification of the line of actual control. But other security experts are advising caution, saying expectations of an early solution should be toned down.
What is a cause for concern is that despite almost 50 years of negotiations non-stop, we have not been able to resolve the boundary issue. One school of thought is, and I think I tend to agree, that I don't think the Chinese are really keen to settle this border issue. They would like to keep it open.
Yet the opposition's message to the government is clear, that China must be held accountable to agreed parameters.
There are certain parameters which have been settled with regard to the boundary talks with China. Government of India needs to tell China very clearly that they will adhere or they will have to adhere to those principles. They cannot change the goalposts, and intrusion under all circumstances or any circumstance will not be tolerated.
But with two strong leaders at the helm, India and China may have found an opportune moment to begin looking for an out-of-the-box solution to the boundary question. Bureau Report, Times Now.